Hello, my name is Niall Madden. I'm a lecturer in mathematics at NUI Galway. I work very much in the field of computational mathematics, and a lot of the courses I teach reflect that. So this semester I'm teaching two courses in computational science, and as of this week those courses have moved online. So whereas last week I was delivering these courses by meeting students face to face in lectures and in labs, as of this week we're teaching everything using Blackboard Collaborate as our tool of choice. This has been interesting to get used to. I was lucky in that the materials I prepared for the course adapt reasonably readily to teaching online. That is, I mostly use pre-prepared slides, which I then during a class annotate on an old 12-year-old tablet PC that I'm very proud of that it still works. From the student perspective, joining the classroom is pretty easy. They click on Virtual Classroom, they get moved into Blackboard Ultra, they'll see the session that I created in advance, they click on that, join the session. They can usually join up to 15 minutes in advance, test their audio and make sure that everything's working fine. So it's delivering it pretty much the way I used to. That said, the feeling is completely different. One of the main difficulties or differences is that I just don't get the same feedback from students. So one thing I've been trying to do this week is encouraging my students continuously during the lectures to give me feedback by typing messages into the chat window, adding emojis and so on, and it's worked really well. Whereas before I started doing that, I very much had the sense that I was spending 20 minutes just talking to myself, and it was a little bit weird. My next challenge is how to work out how to deliver labs online. So that will involve myself, two tutors, interacting one-to-one with the students. So we're going to have to figure out how that's going to work. Wish me luck.